Old Belle Monte. I'd like to take you in for a tour of this beautiful villa. As you walk in, I think the first thing you're going to be swept away with is the openness and the beautiful hardwood floors. To your right, you have a carpeted area that could serve as an office. With all the windows, it's very bright and sunny and just a beautiful location to read or work or whatever you want to do. Some of the great things about this villa is all of your living is on this main level. You can have all of your living on this floor. Back here you have the laundry room with a half bath to the side. And then we come into the main living area. Our dining room is here. Again, lots of windows, lots of bright open space. You'll love the beautiful cabinetry and the granite in the kitchen, and it opens onto the main living area. Great high-end appliances for the breakfast room. And from here you can go out onto your deck, which is a no maintenance deck. This is screened in. Very private, quiet, peaceful back here. And then you have a small outside area as well. Gas fireplace. And then wait until you see the master bedroom suite. You have the charming character of the bay window. And then in here, you come to a fabulous master bath area. And wait until you see the walk-in closet. It's phenomenal. I'm going to head upstairs. Upstairs, you will find a loft area that could be used for reading again, or maybe arts and crafts, sewing, lots of uses for that area. One of the things that I love about this villa is that it's zoned, but it's zoned for every single level. You have HVAC in the lower level, the main floor, and the top floor, all separate, which means that you can really shut down the lower and the upper floors and just use the main level if that's what you choose to do. Then we have two bedrooms, two great bedrooms, and all bedrooms in this villa have walk-in closets, which is another added bonus. These two bedrooms are serviced by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Beautiful views out of all the windows. And then again, another walk-in closet. And from here we'll head downstairs. downstairs is really just as amazing as the other two levels. You have a great rec room where you can have your family over or friends and have plenty of space to enjoy and party and play games. This tiled area is actually set up so that it could be a bar. The plumbing and the waste stacks are all there. It just needs to be installed. The current seller and the owner who built it just chose not to do it, but it's all there to be ready to use. Then back here, we have the fourth bedroom. Again, it has a walk-in closet and egress and its own bathroom right off the bedroom. And the last amazing feature of this villa is the unfinished area where you have ample storage. Here, this was used as a workout room. You have another large closet. But then, look at all of the storage you still have. All of this you have two 50-gallon water heaters, so you don't have to worry about running out of hot water. And all of this can be found at 46 Old Belle Monte in the gated community of Old Belle Monte. It's really worth taking a look at. Thank you for your time.